We are living through unprecedented times. The impact of COVID-19 has gravely altered our industry, professions, and the world. After tireless effort and collaboration, we offer you our help. The Revenue Rescue Kit for fitness professionals is now available. It includes 6 proven ways for you to earn money right now and continue your mission to help your clients ethically, professionally, and thoughtfully. I am honored to have collaborated on this project with my longtime colleague, James Donasso, a 35-year, highly regarded fitness industry veteran, studio owner, 7-year NSCA state director, published author, consultant, and fitness product creator.
I'm delighted to have created the Revenue Rescue Kit for Fit Pros with my longtime colleague, Michelle Blakely. Michelle is an award-winning trainer, an author, a business coach, and a national fitness industry presenter and consultant with over 20 years of experience. We understand what you are going through. We are just like you. And we know that the Revenue Rescue Kit for Fit Pros will help you regain your sanity and, most importantly, your income. Through videos, documents, links, and worksheets, we will show you how to restore your income with creative and proven suggestions so that you can feel a sense of security and hope in such uncertain times.
In addition, we are including a bonus gift, the Fit Pro Financial AED. This bonus gift ensures you are aware of all the monetary resources at your disposal through local, state, and federal programs in response to COVID-19. We cut through the red tape and send you directly to the sites you need to apply to for the financial assistance you deserve. In honoring how tough the situation is for so many in an industry that we love, James and I have priced the Revenue Rescue Kit at only $197 for the first 100 Fit Pros that purchase.
We believe so strongly in helping you, and we believe so strongly in the Revenue Rescue Kit that we will happily refund your money if you implement all of our ideas and don't see a full return on your investment in only 7 days. No questions asked.
You not only receive the ins and outs of 6 proven ways you can make money now, but you also get our bonus gift, Fit Pro Financial Aid AED, and money back guarantee.
You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. And remember, you are not in this alone. So buy the Revenue Rescue Kit for Fit Pros today. Thanks.
Thanks.